Hi guys, this is my first video and we're going to be opening this present. I've been set a few days. One diamond and a marshmallow cake. Had them before, so Hold on. Right. Oops, I came into my den as soon as I went into my Alright, never mind. So this is my first video, I guess. Um I'm very nervous. And yeah, I don't know what to do about this video. I've been trying to do the next challenge. I could do that or maybe I could do something else. Alright, so anyway, yeah, I don't know what to do. Okay, I'll show you my inventory, I guess. I don't know. There's not much. If it would load. Hold on, boot it backwards. Okay, it loaded back up again. I just had to refresh because it was frozen. So this okay, so inventory all. This is it basically. I've got a bunch of socks, some wands, and spackles. That's just it basically. That's all I have, which is very annoying. But I will do the necklaces pack challenge. I'm doing it on my other account, which has like 400 days membership. For proof, I will show you. Okay? Okay, memory. I'll be out the way. Just another black. You call out your name, but you won't call back. Oh, then there's no your mother when I say goodbye. Baby, that's me. Wait, it's still recording. Oh, God. Okay, proof. I actually got 500 days. That's a glitch right there. 569. Hold on. What is going on? I don't need to. There we go. It's fixed. Okay. As you can see, I already started. Yes, I have a necklace. I started for a necklace and candy cane tie. I don't have much of this account, to be honest. I could buy a pet on my spec. This is actually really boring. That's another glitch. Animal just was like really stupid right now. It's getting annoying. Alright, hold on. Let me just continue back with you. Okay, we're back. Let's go to this stupid diamond shop. And don't, I was about to say something. Don't report me to Animal Jam. It's not a stupid diamond shop. I'm just gonna buy them and then transfer them to my, yeah. What am I doing actually? Yes, I hate Animal Jam right now. Seriously, I just really hate it. Okay, I'm back. The third time. Luckily, I spawned a Jamal. I would have killed someone. No, I wouldn't actually. I can get into the diamond shop. There we go. Let's see what type of pets. There's llamas, there's cheetahs. I think I'm buying a bunch of pets. Let's not buy nothing. I'm not much of a talker, actually. Oh my god. I don't want that. That's stupid. Okay. 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 Oh my god, that monkey's okay. There's nothing to buy here. Let's just get up to my other one. Write something stuck in my chest. Literally just not yell at the screen. I messed that up. Yeah, I'm in there. I'm scared of airplanes. To be honest, guys, this is actually a real bad joke. Like a funny thing. I didn't mean any. Oh my god, what the hell is he doing? Alright, anyway. Code? What the hell? And plus my screen's frozen, so yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm real serious. I was just being silly and joking around. This is not what people do in their first video, actually. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Give a like if you liked the video. Subscribe for daily videos. Wait, that wasn't daily. Seriously? I posted that one video. My friend saw it. I had to get rid of it. That was about like a week ago. About a week ago. Alright. Anyway, bye.